So, today we're going to dive into something pretty exciting. It's a new way of thinking about software development, one that promises to let you build, ship, and just create at the speed of thought. We're talking about Kilo, a platform built from the ground up to just obliterate friction and totally change how we write code. Let's see how it actually does that.
I mean, really think about that for a second. What if there was zero friction? No more of those frustrating delays. Just a pure, direct line from the ideas in your head to working functional code. You know, it sounds a bit like a developer's dream, right? But it's the very question that's driving this huge shift in how we're all building software. Because let's be real for a minute. The day-to-day reality often feels like the complete opposite of that dream. You know the feeling. You're constantly getting knocked out of your flow state, jumping between your editor, the terminal, the browser. You find yourself explaining your app's architecture to your AI assistant for like the 10th time today. And if you're a manager, oh man, this nightmare of AI sprawl pops up with wasted credits and shadow IT creating security risks. It just feels like a constant uphill battle against friction.
But what if we could just untangle that whole mess? What if we could get rid of that friction and totally change our relationship with our tools? Well, it turns out there is a better way, and the solution is a new approach called agentic engineering.
And this is exactly where Kilo enters the picture. Look, it's not just another AI coding tool. It's a complete all-in-one agentic engineering platform. The best way to think about it is less like a tool you use and more like an AI coworker that's right there with you, making this whole new way of working a reality. So, what in the world is agentic engineering? Here's the most important part. It's a method where we, the human developers, get to manage these autonomous AI agents that can handle incredibly complex tasks all on their own. We're talking everything from the initial planning stages all the way through to deployment. We get to be the orchestrators, the architects, not just the typists. And get this isn't some niche little experiment. Kilo has already built up a massive community. We're talking over 1.5 million developers actively using the platform. That is a huge user base putting this idea to the test every single day. The scale of this thing is just mind-boggling. The platform has processed over 25 trillion tokens. To even try and put that into perspective, that's just an immense amount of code being generated, analyzed, and iterated on. It shows this system isn't just a concept, it's robust and has been proven at a massive, massive scale.
And all that widespread adoption? It's reflected in its popularity. Kilo is ranked #1 on OpenRouter, which is a major hub for AI models, and that's based on real-world daily usage. It's pretty clear what the developer community is choosing.
Okay, so that's the big picture. Now let's zoom in a bit. Let's look at how this all actually works in practice, and specifically how Kilo can just radically improve the workflow for you, the individual developer.
Now this is what I love. This slide just so perfectly shows how Kilo attacks those frustrations we talked about earlier. So, instead of losing your session every time you switch from your laptop to your desktop, Kilo just syncs everything everywhere. Instead of having to re-explain your project's architecture over and over, you use the memory bank to give the AI persistent context. It just knows. Forget manually grepping through the code base. Managed indexing gives the AI a deep, full understanding of your entire project. And yeah, you can finally stop typing all that boilerplate code, because Tab Autocomplete helps you ship PRs faster than you can even type. And the best part? You are not locked into a single ecosystem. Not at all. Kilo gives you this one single gateway to over 500 different models from every major provider you can think of. OpenAI, Anthropic, Google, you name it. And what this means is you can always use the absolute best model for the job, perfectly balancing cost, speed, and reasoning for whatever task you have at hand.
But the benefits don't just stop with you. Oh no, this is where Kilo really scales, going from an amazing productivity tool to a truly strategic platform for your entire engineering organization.
And here is some powerful proof of that. Check this out. A full 43% of Kilo's users are developers who switched over from using Cursor, another really popular AI coding tool. So Kilo isn't just attracting new people, it's winning over experienced AI tool users who are actively searching for the absolute best platform.
And that data? It's backed up by real people. Christopher Snyder, a Kilo user, put it about as simply as you can. I switched my org to Kilo from Cursor. It rocks. You know, that kind of genuine endorsement, it really speaks volumes.
Now for teams, this is where it gets kind of wild. With a feature like parallel agents, you can launch multiple AI agents at the same time, right from your command line. So you could have one agent refactoring a microservice, while another one is writing all the unit tests for a completely different feature. They just work in parallel, and all their work comes right back to you as these nice consolidated pull requests, all ready for you to review. It's literally like multiplying your team's output in an instant.
And for all the engineering leaders out there, Kilo provides the control you've been looking for. You can finally put a stop to that AI sprawl and shadow IT. You can track adoption and velocity on a management dashboard to actually prove the ROI. And you can simplify all the admin work with pooled credits and unified billing. But this last point is really fascinating. You can capture the superpowers of your best developers and duplicate them into custom modes that the entire team can use. How cool is that?
All right, so you're probably thinking, this sounds amazing. How do I get started? Well, Kilo is designed from the ground up to be open, super flexible, and really easy to integrate into whatever workflow you already have.
You've got a really clear choice in how you want to use it. You can either use the Kilo Gateway, which gives you pay-as-you-go access to their enormous library of models. That's great for just discovering what's out there. Or you can bring your own API keys. This gives you total control over your costs, lets you use your existing subscriptions, and even lets you run models locally with tools like Allama. The platform completely adapts to you, not the other way around.
And here's the kicker, something that is just so crucial for so many of us developers. The entire Kilo plugin is open source. It's licensed under Apache 2.0, which means you can go in, you can inspect the code, you can control exactly how it works, and you can even contribute back to the project. There is no black box here. It's all about transparency and community.
So, what Kilo presents is this really compelling vision for the future of how we build things. A future based on agentic engineering where all that friction is just gone and you can truly, finally, build at the speed of thought. The question it leaves us with isn't just what you'll build, but what becomes possible when your tools finally get out of your way.